In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a document library in SharePoint Online. This process is straightforward, and we'll walk through it step by step, ensuring you know exactly what to do. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft SharePoint. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on the link to open the website. If you're using SharePoint Online, it's part of the Microsoft 365 suite, so you may already be familiar with its interface. Next, you'll need to sign in. Look for the Sign In option, which is usually positioned in the top right corner of the page. Now, if you already have a Microsoft 365 account, you might find yourself automatically signed in. If that's the case, you can move on to the next step. However, if the platform prompts you, enter your email address and then your password. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your SharePoint access to avoid any issues. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to your SharePoint site's homepage. Here, you'll want to locate the Settings gear icon. It's typically nestled in the top right corner. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the available options, select Site Contents. This will take you to a new page where a list of all the site contents is displayed. As you look over the list, locate the document library you wish to delete. This step requires a bit of attention as the list can be extensive depending on how much content is stored. Once you've found the appropriate document library, hover your mouse over it. You should notice an ellipsis, which is a set of 3 dots. Click on this ellipsis to reveal more options. At this point, a series of actions related to the library will appear in a menu. You should select either the Show Actions or the Remove option. This selection will initiate the process to delete the library. Before the library is permanently erased, you'll encounter a confirmation prompt. The platform wants to ensure that this action is intentional, as it involves moving the library to the recycling bin. Take a moment to verify that you're about to delete the correct library. Once you're sure, click the Delete button, or sometimes it might be labeled as OK to confirm your decision. And that's how you delete a document library in SharePoint Online. It's important to remember that once you delete the library, it will be moved to the recycling bin and not permanently erased immediately, offering a safeguard if you change your mind shortly after. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other resources or reach out for support. Goodbye for now.